large elevator. Look at our elevator, it's very big. When we build this plane, we build it with 2 battery trays. So we are free to move the center of gravity when we feel like it. So if we're out here during the very fragile $100 GoPro and a flimsy rod, we can move the gravity back to here. So just in case that GoPro wasn't safe up there, and for safety, you want a great big elevator back here. And when we were working on the Skywalker, we doubled and sort of tripled the size of the elevator, so we have much more if we're carrying one of those expensive GoPros up front. I'll show you. Watch the magic.